So that Lexus is done, and now I have a 2019 CX-9. But yeah, so what I'm going to be doing is doing an oil change. I'm going to rotate his tires and check his brakes because the brake fluid level on the reservoir is kind of low. But we'll take a look. All right, so what we got underneath the hood is a 2.5 liter turbo. I already checked the battery. Battery is still good. Engine air filter. Most likely never having changed it before because I do his oil changes for him. It also still looks pretty good, so that's good. I'm gonna have to top up the coolant because the coolant level is on the low mark. Yeah, coolant down there is on the low mark. You can see that. There's the mark. I usually top it up to the full mark. Let's pull out the cabin filter and have a look. For this one on the CX-9 2019, so you got this little dampener. You just pop that off, right? That just comes off. And then here you squeeze the sides. Same thing. I'm gonna need both my hands. There you go. They just have those things on the sides. Right. And then inside is the cabin filter. And everything drops out of the glove box. So here there's these tabs here, right? You just squeeze them, come out. The other side, they just slip into a groove, and this comes out. I think that's it. There you go. That comes out, and let's see how bad how bad the cabin filter is. It's already looking pretty black. Trying to not get anything to fall in the blower motor. Oh yeah, this one's dirty too. All right, needs a cabin filter. And of course I didn't get one, so I'll let him know, and then I can tell him to watch my video and change it himself. Actually, I should have threw the leaves out, so that way, just in case it falls in or something. Yeah, there you go. Now it's just a dirty cabin filter. So yeah. There you go. That's how you change your cabin filter, which I didn't do it yet. So I got the car jacked up on the jack stands. Check the front tires. This one is about 5:30 seconds. And the rear is between 8 and 7:30 seconds. So definitely the rears have a lot more tread than the fronts. How about this one? Yeah, that one's about 7. Yeah, how about this side? This one's about 5:30 seconds. So I'm just gonna rotate them and then check the brakes. Yeah, so reason why I suggest checking the brakes, because you see the brake fluid level. The fluid's just down there. It's not at the max line, so there is some wear happening. So taking a look at the front brakes, still got lots of material left, outer pad and inner pad. You can see, and then going in the back. Yeah, there's the inner pad. Still got plenty of material left on the back as well. So yeah, I'd say the rear is probably 70%, front 80%. Still got plenty of brakes left. It's the same thing on the other side. I already had a look. So yeah. So if you next time you look at your reservoir and you see your fluid's kind of low, maybe have a quick gander of your front and rear brakes just to make sure. All right, so let's get to the oil change. So if you look under here, yes, I know there's a cover here, because I keep taking it off, and it tricks me every time because there's nothing behind this cover. So your drain plug and oil filter is behind this cover. You got your 8mm, and then I think a couple clips, and this cover just comes off. All right, so once you remove that cover, there's the filter and there's the drain. So right now it's just draining it. All right, and that's the new oil filter. Oh, and by the way, I have my wheel lock master set from Mazda because it makes it easier than it's easier to just have your own wheel lock set than try to find a customer's wheel locks. So yeah, flat rate tech, right? So yeah, that's the part number for the oil filter if you need it. I also have a set for Hyundai too. I tried to get one from Honda, but the parts manager wouldn't sell it to me while I was working there. Okay, so tighten the drain plug and put a new filter in. You might wonder why there's a little bit of coolant there. Yeah, don't worry. That's not a coolant leak. I just spilled some while topping up the reservoir. So, yep, I'm gonna put some oil in it now. So, if I remember from my Mazda days, the cx-9s with 2.5 liter turbo takes about 5 liters, I think, maybe 5.2. Dump 5 liters in and see. All right, so after 5 liters, let's see. Pretty close. I guess it was 5.2. You can see it. Yeah, it's like right in the middle. So it needs a little bit more. I think 5.2 liters or 5.4 should be good. Last but not least, I'm going to show you how to reset the maintenance light on this. So you got to go into your infotainment system. You got to use the little knob here. Just go to, I think, applications, vehicle status monitor, maintenance, and oil change. So you can just click on that and then reset, and that's it. So another thing, but this one doesn't have it. This has regular TPMSs, but a lot of the Mazdas with the CX-5, CX-3s, Mazda 3s, they have the TPMS where they go by wheel speed, and there's a little reset button. So every time you do a service and you check tire pressures, doesn't matter if you're inflating it or deflating it because they overinflated it. Make sure you reset it so that TPMS light doesn't come on after the customer drives it. So yeah, that's it. So I hope you liked the video, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.